Understand that what is geometric sequence. See, geometric sequence is a sequence having the same ratio. We can say the common ratio, what we call R. Okay, so we have a general term, arithmetic sequence के लिए arithmetic sequences जिसमें प्लस और माइनस सेम हो रहा है, राइट, नंबर, एंड geometric sequences जिसमें मल्टीप्लाई सेम हो रहा है, मीन्स रेशियो सेम है. सो अगर हमारा ए पी के लिए फॉर्मूला होता था ए प्लस एन माइनस वन डी जनरल टर्म के लिए, वी हैव वन मोर फॉर्मूला हियर, दैट इज़ यू एन ले सकते हो आप. यू एन इज़ a r n minus 1. A and r are getting multiplied and power is n minus 1. So you should have this in mind, a r n minus 1. Okay, a is the first term, r is the common ratio, and n is the term number. So if we have 2, 6, 18, 54, so if you see, is this a geometric sequence or not? This is multiply 3, multiply 3, multiply 3. So this is geometric sequence. If I have to calculate the general term for it, here a will be first term 2, right, and common ratio will be 3. So what will be the general term then? Un is a r n minus 1. So a is 2, r is 3. So we have 2 into 3n minus 1 as the general term, right? If I have to calculate the 100th term here, how will I calculate? 2, 300 minus 1. So we have 2, 3 raised to the power 99. Is this clear? Then we have some questions from your managed bag which I will solve here one by one. It's question number 3. You have to find the first term. You can see from the managed bag it is there, and you have to find the common ratio of these geometric sequence. So we have a part, un is equals to 4 into 5 n minus 1. So r is very easy. R is a second term जिसका ये n minus 1 power है, तो common ratio is 5, very easy. And if we have to find the first term, just put n as 1. So 4 into u1 is equals to n की जगह 1 I have put, 5, 1 minus 1 0. So 4 into 5 raised to the power 0. Anything raised to the power 0 is always 1. ये law आप पढ़ चुके हो पहले. A raised to the power 0 is 1. So 4 into 1 is how much? 4. Simple, right? We have B part. un is equals to half into 7 n minus 1. इधर r क्या होगा? R will be 7, right? Common ratio is anything which is having this n minus 1, because उसका यही तो था pattern, n minus 1, right? So common ratio here is R is 7, right? So we have to calculate first term. Put n as 1, half into 1 minus 1, half into 7, 0, which is again half into 1, so half. So you can do C part as well, you can do D part as well. I will do E and F here. E is 0.4. I'll tell you the answer for C and D, final answer, so that you can cross check, and if you're not able to do it, you can just ask me. C के लिए common ratio you will get 5, okay, and first term, that is A बोलते हैं, A नहीं बोलोगे आप, इसको आप सीधा U1 बोलोगे, ठीक है, 15. And D के लिए, D part which you will solve, R is 1 by 3 and D is, sorry, U1 is 8 by 3, okay. So when you will solve it, make sure that you cross check. I will just solve E and F here. It says 0.4 into 10 raised to the power n plus 3. So what is R? R is 10, right? Let's solve u1. 0.4 into 10, 1 plus 3. So we have 0.4 into 10 की power 4. So when we have 10 की power 4, that means this is 0.4 into 10,000. So 4 into 10,000 is 40,000, and decimal before, one digit here, so here as well one digit. So answer is 4,000, right? So in this case R was 10, right, and first term is 4,000. Then we have F part. Let's see. F part which we have is U1 is 7, U n plus 1 is 1/2 UN. दिस इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट है यहाँ पे. U1 उन्होंने 7 दे दिया है, एंड UN+1 मतलब नेक्स्ट टर्म हाफ UN दिया है. Okay, how we will solve this? Let's see. See, if U1 is already given as 7, right, and so common ratio यहाँ पे फर्स्ट टर्म उन्होंने ऑलरेडी दे दिया है. हम n की जगह 1 जब पुट करते हैं तो U1 ही तो आंसर आता है. तो U1 is 7, so that means first term is 7, right? And R2 they are saying कि वो half है first term का. ये first term है and ये second term है. तो अगर UN+1 हाफ है तो दैट मीन्स हमारे पास रेशो क्या है, हाफ. अगर फर्स्ट टर्म UN है, उसका हाफ करो तो सेकेंड टर्म आ रहा है, तो मतलब रेशो ही क्या हुआ, हाफ. तो आपने एक न्यू चीज़ लर्न करी, दैट UN+1 मतलब नेक्स्ट टर्म में यहाँ पे आप रेशो लिख सकते हो, एंड दिस इज़ द फर्स्ट टर्म. सो जो भी यहाँ पे टर्म दिया होगा, वेदर इट इज़ 1/4, 1/2, वट एवर, दैट इज़ वॉट, आर. Right? So here in this case is R 1/2, here in this case is 1/4.